I'm to be a commodity, part recreation, part reproduction. I'm to be a currency, a price to pride over masculinity. I'm to be all I am told to be. But today, I'm everything I am not supposed to be. I'm a glitch in societal programming. I'm becoming a bug in the system. I'm a crack in the matrix wall. I'm a wrecking ball, smashing doors, smashing laws. I'm a crack code, ready status quo. I go, breaking iron bars and glass ceilings. I'm demanding, intruding, overcoming the lies and the prejudice. And no, I'm not easy, I'm busy. Making waves, making space in this place, in this world. I'm empowered to empower. I inspire representation, inclusion, mutual respect. I am direct impact on society. I'm equality. I am woman. I'm to be a commodity, part recreation, part reproduction. I'm to be a currency, a